Hello students, this is Jeenal Thakkar from Empower Tutorials. Today we are going to study about exponents and powers, which is there in your CBSE textbook 7th standard. Let us see what is exponents and power. Let us see, have you heard about anything raised to power 4, raised to power 4? What is this? 10 raised to 4. What do you mean by this? The 10 over here is said as base, whereas the 4 is called as the exponent. So this means that you have to multiply 10 for 4 times. You don't have to multiply by 10 by 4. So what you are going to do? 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So how many times did you multiply 10? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 10 raised to 4. Here 10 is the base and 4 is the exponent. The above thing can be said as 10 raised to power of 4. Now this chapter has 7 laws. The 7 laws of exponents and power. Let us see what are that 7 laws. The first law is a product law. What does a product law means? The first law says a raised to m into a raised to n is equals to a raised to m plus n. Students, keep in your mind, जब multiplication आएगा तब क्या होगा? Addition. So for your betterment you can write as multiplication will give you what? Addition. The other thing you have to keep in mind is your base should be same. Your base should be same. Let me give you an example. Suppose 8 raised to 3 multiplied by 8 raised to 5. What will be the answer? Base are same? Yes. Let us see the power. The sign is of multiplication. So what will be your answer? 8 raised to 3 plus 5 is equals to 8 raised to 8. So in this case, you are going to multiply 8 times. Let us see the second law. The second law says us a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equals to a raised to m minus n. Whenever there is a division sign, you are going to do a subtraction. So you can write this way. Division will give you what? Subtraction. Again, base will remain what? Same. These laws are applied only when the base are same. Now base is same. Let us take an example. 7 raised to 5 divided by 7 raised to 3. What will be the answer? Base remains the same. 5 minus 3 is equals to 7 raised to 2. This is the second law. Did you understood the first law? The first law said you that is a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n. So what will be your answer? A raised to m plus n. The first law, the second law. Now let us go with the third law. Let us see what does the third law say. The third law is of a raised to m, the whole raised to n. How is this law read as? A raised to m, the whole raised to n. That is a raised to m into n. Base लिखो. Example 5 raised to 2, the whole raised to 7. So what you will going to do? 5 raised to 2 into 7 is equals to 5 raised to 14. So now what is your third law? A raised to m, the whole raised to n is equals to a raised to m into n. This both the laws had what? Base same. Okay. Now let us see the fourth law. What does the fourth law say? Over here, the base are not same. The base are different. So what will happen? A raised to m into b raised to m. We are just separating them. We are just separating them. Let us see the example. Suppose 5 into 7, the whole raised to 3. So over here, this 3 will be for 5 also and for 7 also. So what will be the answer? 5 raised to 3 into 7 raised to 3. You can check your answer also. 7 5s are 35. Multiply 35 3 times. 35 into 35 into 35. You will get the answer same. Or else you multiply by 5 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. So we are done with the fourth law. Let us go with the fifth law. Let us see what does the fifth law say. A upon b, the whole raised to m, is equals to a raised to m, b raised to m. Again, the base are not same. They are different. But power is same. Power is same. तो क्या हो जाएगा? अगर 5/8 दिया हुआ है, द होल रेस टू 6, तो ये 6 इसको भी अप्लाई होगा और ये 6 न्यूमरेटर को भी एंड डिनोमिनेटर को दोनों को अप्लाई होगा. सो व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? 5 raised to 6/8 raised to 6. This was your fifth law. Let us see the sixth law. What does your sixth law say? This law is very important because you are bound to make mistake in this law. You forget to apply the rule over here. Let us see the what does the sixth law tell us? A raised to 0 is equals to 1. Anything raised to 0, the answer will be what? 1. Whether you take 5 raised to 0, the answer will be 1. Whether you take 8 raised to 0, the answer will be 1. So keep in your mind, a raised to 0 will always be 1. So what is the sixth law? A raised to 0 is equals to 1. Let us see the last law of exponents and power. The last law is not applicable for the 7th standard, but it will definitely come in 8th standard. So just for an information, I am telling you what is the 7th law tells us. 7th law tells us a raised to minus m. क्या है यहाँ पे? नेगेटिव है. तो नेगेटिव रहेगा तो तुम क्या करोगे? उसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. तो व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? 1 raised to 1/a raised to m. सो कीप इन माइंड, अगर तुमको एग्जाम्पल 6 raised to -3, तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? 1/6 raised to 3. ये क्या हो जाएगा? पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. तो दिस वे द 7 laws which we studied right away. I hope you understood this 7 laws which will be very much helpful in solving the sums. And whenever you solve the sums, please write the laws which are applicable over there, so that it will be very easy for you to solve the sum. Let us take an example. Suppose I tell you 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 5 raised to 7. Okay? ये तुमको सिंप्लीफाई करना है by using an exponential form. So what are you going to do? First of all, पहले तो देखो कौन सा लॉ एप्लीकेबल होगा. लॉ 1 2 3, उसमें से कौन से लॉ एप्लीकेबल हो रहे हैं यहाँ पे? पहले देखो बेस सेम है, बेस सेम है. बेस सेम वाला कौन सा है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. गो विद दैट फॉर्मूला. राइट द लॉ ओवर हियर. a raised to m into a raised to n is equals to a raised to m plus n. So now how we are going to solve it out? 5 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 7 is equals to what? Base तो same है. 5 raised to 2 plus 7 is equals to 5 raised to 9 will be your answer. Just for a reminder, you can write over here that the base are same, power different. Over here, base are different. But power are same. Same will be applicable over here. Base are different. And power is same. I hope you understood the laws, the 7 laws of exponents and power. Let us go through the 7 laws once again. The product law says that a raised to m into a raised to n will give you what? A raised to m plus n. Whereas a raised to m divided by a raised to n will give you a raised to m minus n. Let us take an example of a second law. 4 raised to 3 divided by 4 raised to 2 will give you what? A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equals to a raised to m minus n. That will be 4 raised to 3 minus 2. That will be 4 raised to 1. In the next lecture, we will study about your sum solving, how we are going to solve the sums, how we are going to simplify them, what is the standard form. If you have understood the 7 laws easily, the way I have given you a technique of base remaining the same, the power remaining the different, please go through our channel once. Please subscribe, like our Empower tutorial channel. Thank you.